Anyways, Steve's kids were with me camping, and we were taking a four-wheeler up the hill from the lake, and it broke down. And Jerry was there, Steve was there, the kids were there. Kids had 22s. I was going to teach them how to use the 22. I told Jerry my won't go into gear. Can you help me push this four-wheeler to the top of this hill and put it on my other trailer so I can take it home and figure out what's wrong with it when I'm done camping? Jerry said, I'm going to the bar. So, whatever, he went to the bar. So me and Steve pushed it up. We told the kids, we're going to be a while, hey! We're going to be a while doing this, so I need you to, stop! Brett! Anyways, stop! Brett! Get outside. Get out. Get up. Get up. I hope you like the cold. You better stop barking.